How to change language on Character AI account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change language on Character AI. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Character AI. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. After doing that, tap on the top right corner on your profile. And after you're there, you can just tap on your settings icon that is on the top right corner. After doing that, scroll down all the way and there you'll find an language drop down button that says English. Tap on it and there you should be able to choose your language. I'll just choose Spanish and there we go. Now the language for my entire app has been changed. And that's basically how you do it, guys. That is how you can change your language on your Character AI. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.